Human metapneumovirus (HMPV) cases are quite common these days, and along with China, some cases have been found in India as well.
HMPV outbreak in China, India on alert.
Over the human metapneumovirus or HMPV as it's being known right now, coming in India, cases being reported.
It has been observed that children under 5 years old are at higher risk of human metapneumovirus infection, although there is also a risk of infection at older ages. Symptoms of HMPV. The symptoms of HMPV are almost similar to those of a common cold. In the case of upper respiratory tract infection, the symptoms include cold, runny nose, congestion, and sore throat. In case of lower respiratory tract infection, the symptoms include rapid asthma worsening, a deep barking cough, and pneumonia. How does HMPV spread? HMPV is a virus that spreads through direct contact with an infected person or touching infected objects. For example, coming in contact with droplets released during coughing and sneezing, shaking hands with, hugging, or kissing an infected person, or touching objects that the infected person has touched. Diagnosis of HMPV. Doctors usually diagnose HMPV based on symptoms and health history. Sometimes a swab is used to take a sample from the nose or throat and sent to lab for testing. However, this lab test is only done if the symptoms are very severe. Treatment of HMPV. Currently, there are no vaccines or medications available to prevent or treat HMPV. It has been observed that most cases can be treated at home, but if symptoms worsen significantly and hospitalization is needed, your health can be monitored properly in the hospital. If you have difficulty breathing, support can be provided with an oxygen mask. IV fluids can be given to keep you hydrated. Steroids can be given to relieve some severe symptoms. Preventing HMPV. To prevent the risk of HMPV, wash hands frequently with soap or use sanitizer. Maintain distance from people with a cold. Avoid touching your face frequently. Eat clean food and do not share your food. This infection is indeed dangerous, but with the right and timely diagnosis and treatment, improvement is seen in most cases. Follow the methods mentioned in this video and stay safe from HMPV virus.